In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a GitHub link effectively and efficiently, a process that should take us no more than about 5 minutes to master. Whether you're collaborating on projects, seeking feedback, or simply showcasing your work, sharing your repository link is a foundational skill you'll find invaluable on GitHub. First and foremost, you'll need to navigate to GitHub's homepage. It's the starting point for anything you want to do on the platform, including sharing your work. Once there, look for the Sign In button, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will move us to the next step, which involves securely accessing your account. Now you need to enter your username or email address associated with your GitHub account. It's crucial that you input the correct credentials to gain access to your repositories. After filling in your username or email, the focus shifts to your password. Enter the password carefully. Take advantage of the visibility toggle if you need to double check what you've typed. Remember, the key here is accurate entry to ensure you can successfully log in. Once you've filled in your login details, you'll see the Sign In button beckon. Click on it to complete the login process, which unlocks access to your GitHub dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your control room on GitHub. It's from here that you can navigate to any repository you've contributed to or own. Next, you'll want to select the repository you wish to share. Your repositories can be personal projects, forks of other projects, or collaborative works. If you're following along, ensure you know which repository you wish to share, because this is an important part of the process. After selecting the desired repository, locate and click on the Code button. This button is typically found just above the file list of your repository and to the right of the green Gitpod button. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu that offers several options for sharing your repository: HTTPS, SSH, and GitHub CLI. Each of these options caters to different needs and preferences for accessing repositories on GitHub. For the majority of uses, especially if you're sharing your code with someone who intends to view or make minor contributions, the HTTPS option is the simplest and most straightforward. Clicking on it, you'll notice that GitHub presents you with a URL. This is the link you're going to share. It's worth noting that the SSH and GitHub CLI options are more suited for those with a bit more experience or specific project requirements, especially around security and ease of access. Now, the final step is simply to copy the link. GitHub has made this easy with a handy copy button right next to the URL. With one click, the link is copied to your clipboard, ready to be shared with your colleagues, friends, or even embedded in documents. And there you go, that's how you can share a GitHub link. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of quick tips to enhance your sharing process. First, consider adding a brief note about your repository when sharing the link. This can provide context and encourage engagement. Second, if you're sharing this link publicly, make sure you're aware of what's in your repository and that it's something you're comfortable sharing with the world. Sharing work on GitHub is a powerful way to collaborate and showcase your projects. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, knowing how to share your projects effectively is crucial. Remember, each step in this process not only ensures security, but also smoothens the workflow between collaborators. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing what incredible projects you'll share from your GitHub repositories. Happy coding!